Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make this simple fading effect in Unity using particle system. Let's get started. Make empty game object and rename it as fade and reset its position. Create one particle system under fade and rename it as but fade. Disable shape. Emission rate over time to 0 and add brush count to 1 so that we will emit one sprite. I am using this but sprite. Let's create new material and rename it to but material. Change shader to particles, standard unlit and rendering mode to fade, which gives transparent sprite. Assign but sprite on it. Add this material on but fade effect. Now enable color over lifetime to make but fade in and fade out smoothly. You can also add other color than white. Let's reduce alpha value to 0 for both ends. Change start lifetime to 4 and start speed to 0. So it survives for 4 seconds and we don't need speed value. Make start size to 5 to look bigger. Now let's make another particle system under fade and rename it to but dissolve for the fading particles. Under renderer, change material to default particle so it renders small particles. Let's change shape to rectangle so it matches the shape of part. Add part texture on it and change scale to 5 to match the size of the previous part. Make emission rate over time to 0. We will use brush count because it do a one-time emission. Change brush count to 5000 so it emits larger particle at a specific time. Then enable color over lifetime. Here we control the color of each particle during its lifetime. Something like this. And reduce alpha to 0 for both ends. Let's reduce start size to 0.25 to get a small size of the particles. Enable velocity over lifetime and make linear x to random between two curves, which help us to give random velocity for particles to move particles in all directions. Enable size over lifetime. We will use this curve to make size small over time. Let's zoom it little bit. Change speed to 0, we don't need it. Start delay to 2.95 so that this effect appears after disappearing bar. Start lifetime to 2 so that this particle lasts for 2 seconds. Max particle size to 5000. Now it is looking nice. Let's select both and restart. Here is the final effects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe.